In this video, I will show you how to get rid of mosquitoes at home. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on eliminating mosquitoes from your home. These pesky insects are not only a nuisance, but can also pose health risks by transmitting diseases. In this guide, we will delve into various strategies to keep your home mosquito-free, ensuring a comfortable and safe environment for you and your family. Understanding mosquitoes. Before we tackle the methods of controlling mosquitoes, it's essential to understand their behavior and habitat. Mosquitoes thrive in stagnant water, as it's a perfect breeding ground. They are most active during dawn and dusk, and are attracted to certain scents and body heat. Preventive measures. Eliminate standing water. Regularly check and remove any stagnant water around your home. This includes flower pots, buckets, bird baths, and clogged gutters. Proper landscaping. Keep your lawn trimmed and free of debris. Tall grass and piles of leaves can provide shelter for mosquitoes. Use window and door screens. Ensure that your windows and doors have well-fitted screens to prevent mosquitoes from entering your home. Natural repellents. Essential oils. Oils like citronella, eucalyptus, and lavender are natural mosquito repellents. Use them in diffusers or apply them on your skin. Plant-based solutions. Grow mosquito-repellent plants like marigolds, basil, and lavender around your home. Natural predators. Encourage the presence of natural predators like bats and dragonflies, which feed on mosquitoes. Chemical repellents and insecticides. While natural methods are preferred, sometimes chemical repellents and insecticides are necessary. Insect repellent sprays. Use DEET-based sprays for personal protection. Insecticides. If the mosquito problem is severe, you might consider using insecticides. Home remedies. DIY traps. Create homemade traps using sugar water and yeast to attract and trap mosquitoes. Garlic spray. Mosquitoes dislike the smell of garlic. Boil garlic in water and spray the solution around your home. Camphor. Burning camphor is an effective way to repel mosquitoes. Ensure proper ventilation when doing this. Technological solutions. Mosquito zappers. These devices attract and kill mosquitoes using light and electric shock. Ultrasonic repellents. Ultrasonic devices emit frequencies that are unpleasant for mosquitoes. Regularly inspect and maintain your home to ensure it remains mosquito-free. Check for any leaks or damp areas, as these can become mosquito breeding sites. If the mosquito problem persists, consider seeking professional pest control services. They can provide tailored solutions and more potent treatments. Controlling mosquitoes at home requires a multifaceted approach. From preventive measures like eliminating standing water, to using natural repellents, chemical solutions, and technological aids, there are numerous ways to keep mosquitoes at bay. Regular maintenance and professional assistance can also play a crucial role in ensuring a mosquito-free home. Frequently asked questions. What is the most effective natural mosquito repellent? Citronella, eucalyptus, and lavender oils are among the most effective natural repellents. How often should I change the water in bird baths to prevent mosquito breeding? It's recommended to change the water at least once a week. Can indoor plants help in repelling mosquitoes? Yes, certain plants like basil and lavender can help repel mosquitoes indoors. Are mosquito zappers effective? Mosquito zappers can be effective but should be used in conjunction with other methods for best results. Is it safe to use DEET-based repellents? Yes, when used according to the manufacturer's instructions, DEET-based repellents are safe and effective. Remember, the key to a mosquito-free home is persistence and a combination of different strategies. Stay vigilant and enjoy your peaceful, mosquito-free environment. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.